Why are you saying so funny?
You're an a-hole.
Why don't you show the world your hands?
No.
Come on, Paul.
I'm gonna throw something at you.
Oh yeah, do that. Let's see you throw something at me.
Nope. You're an a-hole. You should just help me and put your phone away.
Break my phone, I'm gonna handcuff you to a table. What do you need? I'm not reaching down your pants to get your stupid phone.
Not my phone. And, that's it. No, I don't need my phone.
Where's your keys?
I have in there. You're an a-hole.
No, wait, here.
Should just turn.
Keys? Keys?
A-hole.
Do you want the keys?
A-hole. Did I tell you that I dropped my phone off the lift thing we were on when we were restaining the gazebo?
No.